The Great States 815-18 Push Reel Mower offers an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to gas-powered mowers, eliminating the need for power cords, gas, and oil, and saving you from costly maintenance. With its smooth spinning blades and maneuverable wheels, this hand-push lawnmower not only cuts grass with precision, but also promotes lawn health by reducing susceptibility to insect attacks and diseases. The mower features an adjustable cutting height ranging from 1/2 inch to 2 3/4 inches, ensuring a clean and even cut according to your preference. The mower's blades, made of high-quality alloy steel, maintain their sharpness for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent blade replacements. Designed for comfort and ease of use, the mower comes with a loop-style handle with cushioned grips and is easy to assemble without any special tools. Besides its functional features, the Great States 815-18 Push Reel Mower is planet-friendly thanks to its quiet, motorless design and low maintenance requirements.